you're planning to come to Bangalore and you don't want to stay in the fancy hotels, you're at the right place. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing absolutely fine. Today I'm going to take you for a very interesting tour of this place that I'm staying right here in Bangalore. It is in BTM Layout. It is a 1 BHK. It has an epic open space and to enjoy the Bangalore winds. When I say this, I will take you for a tour. I will show you the facilities. I will tell you the price per day. I will tell you how the entire place looks like and everything else. So let's get started. But before that, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. Let's go. I'm gonna start with what they call the penthouse. This has a epic place to sit outside. How cool can that be? Just green, and the evening will be amazing. I can't wait to sit here. Anyway, all the green possible here. This is how it opens. So basically they've given you a key lock right here. It's more like you press the code and you can enter, and then you have this place where you can sit, chill out. This place again, your sofa, chill out. And then you have a kitchen where you have all the basics. If you right here see tea, coffee, sugar, glasses, your washing, a little gas. You also have your crockery and cutlery right here, which is quite cool actually, and it just serves the purpose, and especially people who love cooking for themselves. Who doesn't? Anyway, so you have this for your tea, coffee, you have for your bread. They've given you a kitchen roll, microwave, you have a small little fridge out here, and then you have this TV if you like to watch stuff. You know what I mean? Anyway, so this is the room basically. Oh, the fact that it has 2 windows and beautiful sun coming in, so that is great. And then they've also provided you with a hairdryer right there and a sitting fan, which is quite cool. And then you have place to hang your clothes and all, and there's space to keep your things, your suitcase as well. They've provided with towels here. This is good for 2 people. And hello. Okay, I will take you to the washroom. This is the basic washroom. This is what it looks like. This is the shower area, and they've also given a shower gel, a shampoo, a dispensary, and of course the wash basin. Pretty much. The best part about that is also that this can open from the other side as well. So if you have guests with you, so they don't get into your private space. Anyway, check these out. These are really cute. This makes the place look very, personalized. Chalo. Anyway, so now I'm going to tell you what the commercials look like. But first, again, let's have a look at what this really looks like. So this you go. Now that we are done with the tour, I'm going to give you the commercial, some of the highlights of this place, and yeah, let's do it. Okay, so first thing first, the price is about 3,000 a night, which is quite great for the entire place. That's a thumbs up. The second thing is that so you have complete privacy. You're to yourself. Like I showed you the key lock. So it's basically one. You just put in the code and you enter the place, and only you have access to the place till the time you're staying, of course. Then you also have your basics, which is super, like tea, coffee, which everyone needs early in the morning, right? And then they also provide with oil. If you like to cook, so of course you can bring your groceries, and you have all the cutlery, you have all the dishes and everything, and you can enjoy your cooking time. And Wi-Fi is super. So that actually is a great thing, because Wi-Fi is something that we all need, right? And especially people who are working remotely. So that bang on. Another very important thing I noticed and I actually really appreciate is the fact that they have a ashtray that they've given separately. A lot of places don't do that. So they've given an ashtray for people who are smokers, of course, and they can smoke outside in the beautiful lawn area, enjoying the greenery. Wow, what a cool thing, right? But trust me, I think these are very small and few things that are very important for a BNB. And the reason I emphasize on BNBs is because, dude, this is an experience. Stay with the locals, be a local. You feel like you're a part of the city rather than staying in fancy hotels and everything. So this is how I feel. But anyway, everyone has their own choices. Okay, so here's the end of the tour, the video, and all the commercials that I spoke to you about. And I will put the link of the booking below in my description. And you can go check it out and maybe you can book yourself one day. Anyway, thank you for watching. I will see you next week. But don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and love me a lot.